Today I'm making some chicken and broccoli low carb quesadillas. I have some carb balanced tortillas. I've already cooked up some chicken and I roasted some broccoli. And I put that in my bowl. And then I have a little bit of the Skinny Girl honey Dijon dressing. I'm just going to mix this up a little bit. A little more dressing. Alright, now it's ready to get the quesadillas started. Alright, I put the stove on medium heat and I put a little bit of butter in the bottom of the pan, and I'm just going to take one of my carb balanced tortillas and put it in the bottom and add a little bit of cheese. And then I have my chicken and broccoli mixture, and I put salt, pepper, garlic, and onion on the broccoli before I roasted it. And then I cooked up the chicken, and then I just tossed it in that honey Dijon. Then I'm going to let that brown up for just a minute. Alright, I turned the heat up just a little bit and it's about ready. I'm going to add just a little bit more cheese so it'll help stick together when I fold this over. And plus I love cheese, so you can't go wrong with cheese. Alright. Ow! Burn myself. Now that I'm done burning myself, the quesadilla is ready. So I already took it off the stove and I let it cool a little bit before I cut it. And it looks so good. It was really good. I like the honey Dijon. It gives it a different flavor. It's really good.